You may have heard of enemies of Islam like Abu Lahab. Another kind of enemy was Abu Jahl. But the third kind of enemy is the most dangerous one. Well, how do we know this is the most dangerous one? This, by the way, is something like Utbah ibn Rabi'ah or Walid ibn Mughira. These are different, these names are not that important for you, but their qualities are important for you to know. Why are these so dangerous? Because Allah in the earliest revelations warned our messenger about this third category. Why? Because they will come to you as a friend. They won't come to you as an enemy. They'll come shaking your hand. They'll come tell you, we feel bad for what's going on. I actually want you to be safe. I don't want this to happen. I'm on your side here. Allah says, فَلَا تُطِعِ الْمُكَذِّبِينَ. Don't fall under the influence. Ita'ah is not just obedience. Ita'ah, many translations say, don't obey those, the beliers. They'll make lots of promises, but they have nothing that they truly believe in. Nothing. Allah is saying these people that make a lot of promises, they actually don't have anything they believe. They're weak in their beliefs. You can understand what I'm referring to and who I'm referring to and why this is relevant for us today. All of you are intelligent enough to understand. So they come to you and they make these promises because right now, this is strategically the best thing for them. Tomorrow, when the strategy changes, they will drop you like yesterday's trash and make promises to somebody else. The day after, they're going to make promises to somebody else. They're not holding on to something that binds them to a character, to principles, to ideals. Allah Azza wa Jalla says, وَدُّوا لَوْ تُدْهِنُوا فَيُدْهِنُونَ. They're really hoping that you compromise just a little bit so they can compromise a little bit. They'll say, hey, look, we know that we're getting pretty aggressive with you, but we don't want to. We don't want to do this. You're forcing us to do this. If you just work with us a little bit, if you just negotiate a little bit, then we can work something out. So their first strategy is to say, you're the one that's not compromising, which is forcing us to turn to violence against you. So the problem isn't us. In fact, the problem is you, because you're so rigid and so firm in your stance. So you're not working with us here. Work with me here.